Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate iMessage, Apple ID, and phone number setup step by step clearly. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Scroll down and tap Apps if you are on a newer iOS version. Then find Messages. If you do not see apps, scroll and tap Messages directly. Turn on the iMessage switch. Wait a few seconds for the activation message to appear. If you see Waiting for activation, keep the screen open for a moment. Go back to Settings and tap your name at the top to open Apple ID settings. Tap Sign In if you are not signed in. Then enter your Apple ID email and password. Complete two-factor authentication if you are asked. Return to Settings and open Messages again. Tap Send and Receive under iMessage. Check that your Apple ID email is listed at the top. Tap your Apple ID and choose Sign Out if the wrong account is shown. Then sign in with the correct one. Under You can receive iMessages to and reply from. Select your phone number. If your phone number is not shown, confirm you have an active SIM or eSIM with SMS capability. Open Settings and tap Cellular or Mobile Service to confirm the line is turned on. If you use dual SIM, select the correct line for Messages in Cellular settings. Go back to Messages and tap Send and Receive again to refresh the list. Under Start New Conversations from, choose your phone number or Apple ID, depending on what you prefer. If activation still fails, turn iMessage off, restart the iPhone, and turn iMessage on again. Check date and time in Settings and enable Set Automatically. Make sure you can send and receive regular SMS, because iMessage activation may use a silent SMS. If you have a carrier block on international SMS, contact your carrier to allow iMessage activation texts. If you recently changed your phone number, verify it in Settings. Apple ID, name, phone numbers, email. Sign out of iMessage and FaceTime. Then sign back in if the number will not verify. On the same screen, confirm your email addresses are correct and remove any you do not use. Test iMessage by sending a message to another Apple device and confirm the bubble turns blue. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.